Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much first for stopping by. This time we have another unboxing and it's another limited edition box from Feelunique. When actually I came across with this brand, with Feelunique, with this store, when I got their advent calendar, and this time we have a limited edition box from them, and I am always asked by you where I find these deals, and I want to say that 99% of them are from my subscription addiction. Subscribe to their email, and you get every morning everything what's on sale as beauty deals. So this is the Feelunique. The box is called the Treat Yourself Edict. This one was 39 and I have the paper here. This one was $39.90 and I think it's a well worth it box because I know what are the products inside. I will leave the link down below as usual if the box is still available. My single complaint is the fact that it takes a while to arrive because as far I know comes from UK. Anyway, let's see what we have in this one. The print is very colorful. Doing my best, be beautiful, more self-love, make self-care isn't selfish, all kind of good stuff in here. Comes with this colorful sleeve, and I will take this one. It says here it's okay to put yourself first. So probably once in a while, and not just once in a while, we deserve to be first on our list, so on our priorities. So here is the sleeve for the box, and here is the box. Pretty nice and sturdy box. Best of Beauty, powered by Feelunique. I have to say that UK has so many beautiful stores with so many beautiful limited edition boxes. It's always a pleasure to check them. Let's see what we have in this one. Here is the box inside. So this one was $40. We have a card, Be Treat Yourself Edit, powered by Feelunique. Here is the card for this one, and I think we have in here what's in the box. So I see a couple amazing products in here, and I'm saying that because I just tried them, some of them. So first thing that I see here, it's this 5 ways to well-being. Another very colorful piece here, and this one is small changes can make a big difference, created in a partnership with Mind and illustrated by Stacy Swift. This compact flip book details easy tips to look after mental well-being. So the 5 of them, I'm gonna go quickly over them. Connect with someone, always great to have someone close to you. Be present, learn something new. What else we have in here? And give back. So first item in here, cute and interesting. Then we have in here a smaller size of the pillow, the sleep pillow spray from This Works. Something is very strong in here. Anyway, is the well-known in a mini size, and I'm using those mini right now. This is a cute sample. Then we have in here, this one comes in 2.5 milliliters, Pretty Your Way to Sweet Dreams. This bestseller units lavender, chamomile and vetiver to calm mind and body. Use at bedtime to sleep like a baby. For me it works exactly like that, so always get happy to get this one in any size. So we have then a beautiful product, and I'm saying beautiful because I just finished one of these in this size. This is Elemis Frangipani Monoi Shower Cream, is this guy right here, and this one comes with 50 milliliters. About this one, it's Feelunique Exotic Frangipani Mono Shower Cream. Lather up with this indulgently creamy wash made with a blend of oils and fragrance with frangipani flowers. This makes for a spa-worthy shower moment. It's a beautiful scent, feels so amazing on the skin. I will have and I'm trying hard to film some more videos. One of them is with couple products from LMS, which includes a kit with 3 products from this line. But so far, if you can afford to buy LMS product, you won't regret, because they are always beautiful and always work amazing for skin, even if it's your face or body. So a product that I highly recommend. Then we have in here Origins, and this is high potency vitamins. It's a very well known product, but a product that I didn't try yet. About this one's a real glow giver, resurfacing skin overnight for smooth and hydrated skin come morning. Thanks to the soothing essential oils, this aids beauty sleep too. So a deluxe sample in here. I cannot tell you much about that one because I didn't try it. And here are a couple new products for me. One of them is Omorovisa. Still not so sure, although many of you told me how to pronounce this one. Probably it's Omorovisa, is the well-known very expensive brand. This time we have deep cleansing mask in this size, and I will tell you what's the size for this one. This one comes in 50 milliliters. Deep clean pores with the power of detoxifying Hungarian moor mud and white clay for a bright and radiant complexion. It's a skincare Sunday essential. So it's a beautiful brand, wonderful brand, not quite very affordable. Then we have this item, and this is Hello Joe. About this one, this is Hello Joe Bright Eyes Jelly Mask 30 pairs, which makes 15 treatments. Usually full sizes are coming with 60 of them. This time we have 30, and I hear something moving in here. Loaded with energizing caffeine, this jelly mask reduces puffiness and brighten dark circles to make it look like you've just had the best sleep of your life. I really need something like this. I'm finishing right now another box with which had 60, a Korean box which was also a wonderful product and worked very nice for me, way better than I was expected. But anyway, here comes another one with 50 pairs. Then we have in here the product that smells quite strong, and this is Dr. Botanicals. It's vegan by Dr. Botanicals, vanilla chai and amber bed balm in a full size. Smells pretty nice and strong. So here is comes with a lavender color, and says here that will expire in May this year. It's not gonna get to that point, that's for sure. About this one has 200 grams. Take your bed game to the next level, infused with warm and spicy aromas. This is a certified mood booster that conditions skin from head to toe. Lovely to get another one. And we have one more product in here, and we have a candle. And if you watch my channel, you know I love candles. This time we have Neom, probably Organics London. It's a Tranquility scented candle in Sweet to Sleep. Let's see how this one looks. So far this one comes with 75 grams. Stirring a calming blend of pure essential oils to erase you towards a relaxing slumber. This is the perfect partner to your post-work bed or pre-bed time ritual. Sounds nice to take this one in shower. Here is the size of this one. Smells pretty fresh but strong also in the same time, at least for me. But the scent is very fresh. I don't know what this one has as ingredients. It doesn't say exactly what's in this one, but for sure it might have lavender, being a night candle. Anyway, this is the last product in the bag. I am happy to get candles. I always love to get candles in the boxes. I always love to try new ones. So here is one of them. This is 100% natural fragrances for the mind and body. No artificial colors, no paraben, mineral wax. Burn for a minimum of 2 hours and a maximum of 4. Something is very strong here, and I think it's the Dr. Botanicals Bed Balm. So probably you see me making faces. It's because of that one. Anyway, this is all in this box. So far I think it's not bad to get all those goodies for $40 and free shipping. So if I'll find the link, I will leave the link down below. I think it's a pretty nice box. If you wanna try something new, I can't wait to try to light the candle. The bed balm, it's always in my routine. This is a beautiful shower gel. Looks like a pretty nice night routine in this box, with those under eye masks, with the shower cream, the face cleanser, the face mask cleanser from Omorovisa, then with the Origins Nightamines, it's a night cream, and also your routine with the pillow spray. So far I do like the box. I like the products because I know I tried some of them, and I'm sure the other ones are good too. So far we have a full night routine in here. Anyway, you let me know what do you think about this box and about the price. The price is $40, $39.90, and as far as I remember, it's free shipping. So here was the best of beauty from Feelunique, another limited edition box from them. They come also very often with all kind of beauty boxes. So that's kind of all for this video. I will see you guys very soon. In the meantime, you have an amazing day. Bye bye.